I'd forgotten that I entered because my mindset was really on completing my thesis. And for an architect to write 20,000 words, it's very, very difficult. So my mindset was on writing my thesis, not on the award. So it was a complete shock. I was in my 5th year of studies at the University of New South Wales. And the Student Biennale was pretty well the only national competition. And what attracted me also was that it was an award system which was judged not only by academics, but also by professionals or by practitioners. I think there was a flyer on the faculty notice board calling for submissions. So I decided to enter mainly because I was curious to see how my work would compare with other students from other universities around Australia. It was before the age of the internet, and CAD and 3D renderings weren't around 20 years ago. The drawings had to be physically drawn onto film. The models had to be physically made, photographed and made into slides. It's quite a memorable moment because during the submission, it was when the first Gulf War started. So I was working to the backdrop of the 24-hour radio coverage of the war. So that really stuck in my mind. At the time of winning the award, I never really understood the impact it would have on my future career. It certainly gave me the confidence, increased the confidence and really reinforced the design direction which I was heading in at that time. But it wasn't until probably a year after, when I was finishing my studies, that I realised that the recognition and that I had, from the awards, had opened up a series of links or contacts outside the university and really prepared me for the profession. In terms of the type of work which I've seen in the recent submissions, there's a great richness. The variety is not only in terms of the graphic presentation, but in terms of the different design approaches which students take on these days, the building types and the scale of works. The importance has always been there, mainly because it's the major national award which the Institute offers to students. It's a great stepping stone from university into practice or into working for a company. And for that reason, I think it's very important and will remain very, very important in the future.